What's up, everybody? I wanted to take a quick second to show you how you can take your emails from being just like everybody else's when they show up in your subscribers inbox to actually standing out so that people read, open, and click on your emails, and obviously hopefully buy the things that you're selling them. And so I want to show you just really quickly what this looks like before. And so before, your inbox or your subscribers inbox will usually look something like this, right? So you have a bunch of emails from a bunch of different people, and it's just really busy, right? Like everything's going on at the same time. But you'll find that a lot of the time, the emails that stand out are the ones with less things in it, because everybody's just is bombarding you with text and copy, right? And so if I'm scrolling down inbox right here, I'm saying like these subject lines are grabbing my attention, right? Like these subject lines that a very short subject line, preview line, and then they have nothing else, right? They don't reveal anything else going on after the the preview line. Now, the reason why you would want to do this is twofold. So the first part is that usually you would want to have a curiosity-driven subject line, or something that opens a loop in the subscriber's mind, right? Something that makes them want to open the email to answer or to close that loop, that curiosity gap. And so when you leave your preview line to be automatically generated by your email marketing platform, a lot of the time that curiosity gap or that question is answered in the first couple of lines in your email. And so when somebody reads your subject line and then they also see the first couple of lines in your email in that preview line section, then there's no reason to open the email because that has already been answered. And so what I want to show you is how to be able to get this invisible preview line, or to be able to get rid of it altogether, so that you're essentially in a very ethical way, you're forcing people to open your email to answer the question opened with your actual subject line. And see this. And it's a little bit different depending on your marketing platform. Right now, I will show you inside of Go High Level, and then I will also tell you how to do it in the more popular email marketing platforms that I've worked in. So just very quickly, once I walk you through this, it should only really take you maybe 20 seconds to set this up, and you'll see a nice little boost in your open rates. Now, a question that I've gotten before is, if I use this, will my open rates and my email deliverability go down? And I say that as long as you're not going to spam or promotion, it doesn't hurt your deliverability at all. I've tested it for myself, for clients, and I see no difference between using this preview line versus another one. You have other delivery issues and you're seeing like sub 15% open rates, then that's a whole other issue, and you can feel free to contact me if you want to chat about that. But if I go to send a test phase here, I'll send it to, and I'll show you what this looks like. No preview. So this is what your email would traditionally look like, and that is right here. Want your emails to stand out in the inbox, and then the first couple of lines are revealed in my preview line text. I wanted to get rid of that. I'd potentially say hide this in my preview line, and then I'll share this Google Doc with you that has this little snippet of text that you just copy and paste into your email marketing platform, and you'll see it's just I don't know why this just a sequence of characters works for a lot of the email clients, but if you just copy this exactly as it is in this Google document and paste it directly into the end of, now we'll send another test email to myself, but now with the updated preview line. And then you'll see that now the preview line has gone away. And it's just a really quick way, very high leverage way to get your emails to stand out in the subscriber's inbox. And you see that it's completely removed. Now, if you're using Go High Level, a lot of these different platforms, all they need for you is to copy and paste that. However, you still want to test this yourself and send yourself a test email before you send anything out. Otherwise, sometimes they will actually be able to see that sequence of characters. So you send a test email to yourself using this. If you can see and actually read the characters that are being pasted in there, what you want to do is just type this in right here. It's just this sequence of characters copied and pasted and repeated over and over again. Sometimes you only need the sequence once. And so if your marketing platform needs it just once, just copy and paste it the one time from your copy and paste from here to here, and then paste it into your email marketing platform and then test that. And it should work for you.